First light, first love. In the hush of dawn, where the river meets the sky, we wandered unspoken, with the world softly alive. Your eyes caught the morning like a breeze through the trees, a moment unfolding, just you and me. The sun rises slow, painting gold on the leaves. Every step we take, a whisper on the breeze. First light, first love, first word, first touch. Now you've got me persuaded. Songbirds telling tales so much above and beyond. Yes, it's wine. Yes, it's true. Blessings forever. I'm thankful for you. Footprints in dew, tracing stories untold. The earth's silent song, in colors bright and bold. You laugh like the songbird, echoing through the trees, a melody carried on the morning breeze. Time slows down as the daylight starts to bloom, crossing paths in the dawn, sealing our doom. First light, first love, heartbeat like thunder. Every glance, every touch pulls me under. Stars fade away, but your light shining through. Forever's right here with me and you. In the quiet moments when the world feels still, your hand in mine, a promise we fulfill. Morning's hush, a sacred space, love's first whisper in this sacred place. First light, first love, first word, first touch. Now you've got me persuaded. Songbirds telling tales so much above and beyond. Yes, it's wild. Yes, it's true. Blessings forever. I'm thankful for you. As the sun climbs higher, and the day takes flight, right under the dawn, our first love's light. You're first in my heart, always true. First light, first love, all because of you.